Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this video. So, you will need your beads, your needle, and your natural hemp cord, your thread to make this video, to make this necklace. Sorry. Okay, so to get started, you're gonna do the herringbone stitch. Make sure that it's a very long. I had already gone ahead to do mine. I would leave a link down below where I show you guys how to do the herringbone stitch properly. Plus, I've been doing it a lot, so if you've watched my videos you would know that, and if you haven't, I have it linked down below. So this herringbone stitch, or this tape, is going to be a measurement of right around your neck, your shoulder. So you have to make sure that you wrap it right around your shoulder and make sure that it closes. So once that is done, you're going to thread your needle, right? And then once that is done, you're going to fold it and then insert your needle onto the other thread, onto the other part, just to make sure that you fasten both ends, right? And then insert onto the other side. This is just to fasten your thread, make sure that it's proper and it's enclosed. So you are creating a circular motion, right? So for the purposes of this video, I made 2 rows, but if you want the thickness to be thicker, you can make 4 rows to get your desired design. So you can make 2 of these, and then when you are inserting the beads, you insert like I showed you guys in the previous video that I uploaded, right? I will leave it linked down below so you guys can get the sense of it. So right now, because my thread was short, I'm just going ahead to fasten it just so I can insert the beads. So now I'm going to start inserting my beads. You can start with at least 16, 15 beads depending on the length you desire, depending on your design or what you want to come up with. Because remember that this is just a technique, this is just a rough cut of what you want to do. You can then play around with size depending on also the bust size of your client or your bust size. So in the next coming videos, I'm going to be doing appreciation posts for people's pages. So if you have them to make those designs, I'm going to be posting like your pictures and your work on my channel and Instagram pictures, just that if there any clients you want to buy from you, so you for your country and your page, then we can link them down to you. This is just to advertise you and market you, just that you can get business, right? So I just skipped 2 rows in between, and then I inserted my thread like you guys saw. So I'll just be repeating this process. This is part 1. So in this part, I'll just be repeating this process and adding maybe 5 to 10 beads extra in each segment, so as to achieve my desired length. So yeah, this mostly about it in part 1. Please tune in for part 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Like I said, if you have a small business that does DIY, please do leave a comment down below, and I will definitely tag you. I will definitely recommend you. That is if you did. Yeah, and so far there are people that I'm going to be tagging down below and recommending them. So please do leave the comments, especially if you're in South Africa, America, etc., Nigeria as well. So just leave your comments down below. I will tag you, tag your pages as well, so people can visit the pages. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys. That's it for today. Watch the rest of the video to see how this turns out. I will surely be posting part 2 soon. You make the blind eyes to see. You make the lame to walk. You raise the dead. Yeah. Jesus, we give you glory. We give you praise. Hamukundikani. Somebody just give the Lord a hand of praise. Somebody just put your hands together for Jesus. In your word, you say nothing is impossible, so I'll stand on your word. When troubles come to hit me hard, I know in you I'll find my refuge, and also you never fail. Mighty, 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 mighty God, you never fail. Oh, mighty, mighty.